Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is C++ keyboard and identifiers. And identifier. Number one is C++ keyboard. Keyword are free-defined words that have a special meaning to the compiler, like a free-defined word, free-defined words that got special meaning, meaning to the compiler. Let's take in an example. So here int is a keyboard. That indicate the money is a variable type of integer. Variable type of integer. Type of integer. Now C++ identifier fires. Identifier are unique name given to a variable. Unique names given to a variable by a programmer. Let's take the same example, int money. So here money is a identifier. So these unique name depend upon the programmer. Let's take another example. Double is a data type. Balance. So this is identifier. Now C++ variables. A variable is like a container. We can call it storage area to hold data, to indicate the storage area. Each variable should be given a unique name, identifier. For example, int age 14. So here age is a variable of data type integer. Data type, we assign integer value 14. The value of a variable can be changed, hence the name variable. Now C++ constant. In C++, if we want that the value of variable cannot be changed, for this we use a constant keyword. Constant keyword. We can create variable whose value cannot be changed. For this we use constant. Let's take an example. Constant integer. So this is a keyword. So constant integer light speed is like 299 something. So it is constant. It will make an error when you put speed is equal to like 1900 something value. It will give you error. Because we actually declare L speed is a constant integer. The next thing is C++ literals. Literals are data used for representing fixed values. They can be directly encoded in the code. So literals are data used for representing fixed value. They can be directly in a code. So let's take an example like 1, 2.5 and C. Now integers. Integer is a numeric literals. We discuss what is literal without any fractional or exponential part. We have three types of integer literals. Number 1, decimals base 10. Number 2, octal base 8. Hexadecimal base 16. Let's take example with each of the thing. For example, decimal is like 0, minus 9, 20. So this can be considered as a decimal. Octal is 211,077,033, etc. These are considered as octal. Hexadecimal OXF 7F OX2A OX521. So these are hexadecimal. Octal start with 0 and hexadecimal start with OX. Now floating point letters. A floating point letter is a numeric letter that has either fraction form or exponential form, like a fractional form or exponential form, like 2.0, like 2 with exponential minus 5. Fractional form or exponential form. So we call it floating point or literals. So characters. A character is a literal created by enclosing a single character inside a single quotation. Single character inside a single quotation. Let's take an example. Let's write the definition. A character literals is created by enclosing a single character inside a single quotation mark. Example A. So this is called character. M F. Fourth one is a string quotation. String letters. A string literals is a sequence of characters enclosed inside a double quotation, double quotation, like would inside double quotation. Everything, like take another example. Earth is oval or round. This is just an example. String of characters, sequence of characters. So we call it a string letter also. So this is the end of the lecture.